Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Big moves in the market. Pfizer's dividend leap, analysts called to shift from cash to fixed income, Rocket Lab's stellar launch, and satellite deployment success. Barron's top 10 stock picks for 2024 and a 7-week winning streak for NASDAQ, S&P, Dow following Fed's dovish pivot. Energy sector forecast, Goldman's 5 large-cap picks for 2024. Palantir secures a whopping $115 million contract from U.S. Army while Icon Enterprises upsizes with additional senior notes pricing. And finally, DocuSign rides high on potential buyout deal buzz. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these headlines and what they mean for you. The pharmaceutical titan, Pfizer, has declared a rise of 2.4% in its quarterly dividend, making it 42 cents for each share. This will be payable on the first day of March for shareholders who are recorded by the 26th of January. This action suggests a forward yield of 6.43%. Additionally, Pfizer has recently finalized the purchase of the biotech company Seagen.
Sonal Desai, the chief investment officer at Franklin Templeton Fixed Income, advises investors to transition from cash to fixed income as stock values hit all-time highs. Despite a swift market rally, Desai maintains that fixed income continues to be an appealing option. This advice comes in the wake of the Federal Reserve's choice to keep interest rates steady and forecast 3 reductions in 2024. This decision has given a boost to U.S. stocks and brought down Treasury yields. However, Desai criticizes these remarks as being premature and remarkably incautious.
Rocket Lab USA has triumphantly launched its 42nd Electron rocket, deploying a satellite on behalf of Japan's Institute for Kyushu Pioneers of Space. This mission, which is part of an intended 36-satellite constellation, established a record as the company's 10th launch within this year. Following the successful launch, Rocket Lab shares experienced a significant increase of nearly 9.5% in pre-market trading.
Barron's has released their top 10 stock picks for the year 2024. The list includes Alibaba, Alphabet, Barrick Gold, Berkshire Hathaway, BioNTech, Chevron Corporation, Hertz Global Holdings, Madison Square Garden Sports, PepsiCo, and U-Haul Holding. These stocks have been selected based on their value and promising growth prospects coupled with strong financials. Notable highlights from this list include Alibaba, which is currently undervalued despite its increased earnings and revenue. Alphabet also shows potential for significant growth in the coming years. Barrick Gold is planning to boost its output while Berkshire Hathaway continues to report robust profits. BioNTech's pipeline focuses on oncology, which could lead to substantial returns. Chevron Corporation has plans to increase dividends while Hertz Global Holdings presents an attractive valuation for those investors who are willing to wait patiently. Madison Square Garden Sports offers a discount on asset value, whereas PepsiCo consistently raises its dividends, making it a reliable choice for investors seeking steady income. Lastly but not leastly, U-Haul Holdings' self-storage business is growing rapidly, which could translate into higher returns in the future.
Despite cautionary remarks from some Federal Reserve speakers regarding interest rate reductions, U.S. stocks concluded on a high note this past Friday. Wall Street celebrated its 7th straight weekly gain, with the S&P 500 inching closer to an all-time high. The NASDAQ composite also saw progress thanks to an increase in Intel and other chip stocks following upgrades issued by Bank of America. Nevertheless, there is still uncertainty surrounding whether this upward trajectory will persist or if a significant sell-off is on the horizon.
Goldman Sachs has pinpointed 5 energy stocks that could potentially see a turnaround in 2024. The list includes Chevron, Cenovus Energy, Devon Energy, Schlumberger, and Kinder Morgan. It is predicted by analysts that these companies may flourish if Brent crude oil reaches a price of $80 per barrel and the Henry Hub natural gas spot price hits $3.50 for every million British thermal units. A significant performance differentiation across subsectors is anticipated, and it's expected that these companies will enhance shareholder returns.
Palantir Technologies has renewed its collaboration with the U.S. Army by signing a 1-year agreement for its Vantage program. This contract, worth $115.4 million, will enable Palantir to offer artificial intelligence-enabled capabilities to enhance the development of the Army data platform vision. Following this announcement, Palantir's shares experienced a slight increase of over 1% in pre-market trading.
Icon Enterprises has boosted its private placement offering from the initial $150 million to a new total of $200 million. The capital garnered from this increase will be allocated towards the redemption of their current 4.75% senior unsecured notes, which are due in 2024. The closure date for this offering is scheduled for December 19th.
Stocks in the electronic signature software company, DocuSign, have seen an increase of more than 8% due to rumors of a possible private purchase through a leveraged buyout. Preliminary talks are currently taking place with several entities, which include private equity companies and technology corporations. Even though there has been a 30% decrease in leveraged buyouts across the industry this year, DocuSign stocks continue to hold firm. And that's a wrap for today's The Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge. We'll meet again tomorrow. Stay informed, stay ahead. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.